Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information and localize build number. Now keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Let's confirm it with your lock screen. And as you can see, we've got the developer mode enabled. So now let's go back to the general settings, scroll down, and the developer options should appear right under the About Phone. And here all we have to do is to simply slightly scroll down. And here we've got the auto update system option, so which is turned off in my case. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course you can turn it off in the same way, but let me leave it like this. Basically, you do not need to do anything manually, just remember about restarting your device. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.